students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Subject is Maths of Standard 3rd and name of the topic is 2.1 Addition by carrying over. Children, this is the first topic from the second semester. Okay, now this is about the addition. You know units, tens, hundreds, correct? And you know how to add and how to subtract and how to multiply. Isn't it? Addition without carrying over, you know. Today we are going to learn how to add the numbers by carrying over. Means addition by carrying over. Okay? See here, this is A and this is B. Two boys are there, A and B. Now A has some beads. We will see. This is one string of bead. It has 10 beads. Isn't it? You can see here 10 beads in one string. Okay. He has one more string of 10 beads. Correct? And some more beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 2 strings of 10 beads and 4 beads. Correct? Now what the B has, we'll see. B has one string of 10 beads, another string of 10 beads and 3 more beads. Isn't it? How many? 3 more beads. Now we will add the beads of A and B and we will see total how many beads both together have. Okay. Now this is A plus B means beads of A plus beads of B. Now we'll see. Okay, this is beads of A. Here one string, second string and here these 2 strings from B and these 4 from A and these 3 from B. Altogether 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 strings of tens. Correct? Means 10 beads. Each string is of 10 beads. You know that the bundle of 10 is called 110. Isn't it? This is 110, 210, 310 and 410. I will write here 4 tens. Okay. Plus how many single are there? Means units are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means here 7 units are there. Isn't it? Single beads we call as units. Right? Means altogether 4 tens and 7 units. Means you know that 47 beads are there in these strings. Isn't it? Okay, we will move further. Now here Ramesh, he has how many blocks we will see? See, this much blocks he has. This is 10 blocks. Okay. 10 blocks close together means this is 10 tens. And this is 110 because 10 blocks are there in one line. Okay. This is 10 blocks, again 10 blocks, 10 blocks, again 10 blocks. This is 10 into 10. Means this is 100. 100 blocks are there in this. Got this, students? Now we will count Afterwards, now Suresh, his friend, he too has some blocks. Here also 100 block means 10 into 10 and single tens are there. Okay, first then we will add them and we will see. Okay, here can you tell me how many blocks together they have? We will add afterwards. First we will write the number of blocks that Ramesh has. See here 15 tens because these are 10 tens, 11 10, 12 10, 13 10, 14 10 and 15. So it is 15 tens. Okay, that is clearly if you want to write then we will write like this. 15 tens is equal to 100. See, this is 100. 100 blocks are there in this, correct? So 105 tens. Got this? Okay. Same thing we will write to Suresh. See here, Suresh has this 101 block and 1, 2, 3, 4 means total 10 plus 4. 14 tens, isn't it? 14 tens he has is equal to 104 tens. Got this, students? Okay. Now this 105 tens, so it is 105 tens. This is 104 tens. Okay, now we will add these two, means both the having so many blocks, we will add them. See here, this is a table. I have written here units, tens, hundreds. Now in Ramesh case, how many units are there? Single block, can you see here? No, right? So we will write 0 units. Okay. Now how many tens are there here? 5 tens, isn't it? So I will write 5. And how many 100? 100. You are right. And what about Suresh? No units. So we will write 0 here. Then tens how many? 4. Correct? So we will write 4. Then how many 100? 100. Isn't it? So we will write 1. Now you know addition. Okay. Correct? We will start always this addition from right side. Correct? So 0 plus 0, that is 0. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Yes. What is the answer? They have 209 tens. This much blocks is equal to 290 blocks they have. Isn't it? Got this, students? Okay. Yeah. This is from your textbook. This is page number 50. Okay. Now here, write the proper numbers in the empty boxes. Here one example is given. You know now 12 tens is equal to 100. This is 100 and 210. Correct? Okay? Like that only we will write 1510 means. 15 tens means how much? How many 100 and how many tens? Yes, you are right. 105 tens because it is 15, isn't it? Now, rest all you have to do this because it is very easy. And here we will move. Here it is written in reverse position. That is 100, 2 tens. Both together make 12 tens. Isn't it? 100 2 tens means 12 tens, right? So here we will try to write this 100 and 4 tens is equal to how many tens? Yes, nice answer. This is 14 tens. Very good. Here also you have to try these three. Okay, it is on page number 50. You can use your pencil and you can write in your textbook. Okay. We will move further. Now see this. Observe the examples based on the pictures. You know this is 100, this is 10 string, this is unit. You know na? Complete them by adding units to units, tens to tens and hundreds to hundreds. I am taking here revision because it is necessary. Okay, after vacation we are meeting first time. So we will take some revision and then we will move to our portion. Okay, now here 100. See here 100. How many tens are there? 1, 2. So 2 tens. How many unit? Unit means single. 1 unit. Isn't it? Here also 200. Here 2H. H means 100. 110. 1T. And 3U. 3 units. Right? And here the answer is 300. 2 plus 1 that is 300. And 2 plus 1 again 3 tens. And 3 plus 1 that is 4 units. Isn't it? We will write here 1 unit plus 3 unit is equal to 4 unit. Isn't it? We will write U here. Now we will move to tens place. 2 plus 1 that is 3T. Isn't it? Next is 1H plus 2H is equal to 3H is nothing but 300. Our answer matches with these pictures. Isn't it? Same thing we can write in this form also. See here unit tens 100. Same thing we have copied here. Okay, we will add directly now. In the unit column 1 plus 3 that is 4. Tens column 2 plus 1 that is 3. And in hundreds place 1 plus 2 that is 3. Means 300, 3 tens, 4 units. How we read? 334. Isn't it? Next, same thing. I will go a little fast. 100, 110, 2 unit. Here 200, 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit. Okay, we will add this. 5 plus 2 that is 7. 1 plus 1 that is 2. 2 plus 1 that is 3. Correct? Same thing we will write in this form, that is 2 units or 100, 110, 2 units. Down 200, 110, 5 units. We will add these two. 2 plus 5 that is 7. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. The answer is 327. Isn't it? Okay. Addition by carrying over. Okay. Today we are going to learn this. Now you can see here a table with units, tens and hundreds. Okay. And here you can see 568 plus 396. Isn't it? Now we will start addition. You know that we always start addition from right side. Isn't it? Means from unit place. Okay. We will start now. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Isn't it? So we will write answer here 14. Now, dear students, see here, column is single and we can't write two numbers in one column, isn't it? So, we have to write only one number in unit place. Okay, we will study about 14. See here, I will write 14 here. Okay, this 14 has two digits, that is 1 and 4, isn't it? That is 4 in the unit place and 1 in tens place. You know this, right? So that is 4 units, 1 10. Correct? So we will write 4 in the unit place and 1 will be carried over to tens column. See this. 1 is carried over to tens column. So we will write 1 here. Okay. Now we will add these three numbers. 1 plus 6, that is 7, plus 9, that is 16, isn't it? Again we will write 16 here. Okay. Now the same thing. Here also we can't write two numbers in single column, tens column. So we will write 16 here. And again the same procedure. But this is 16 tens. Correct? It is in tens column. So when we see the place values, here 6 is in tens place. So 60. Okay. And 1 is in hundreds place. So it is 1H. Okay. So we will keep this 6 in the tens column. And this 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. Got this, students? This is called addition by carrying over. We are carrying here, correct? We carry over 1, the numbers. So 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Got this? The answer is 964. If the sum, that is addition, in which we carry over the numbers to different places, then it is called as addition by carrying over. Got this? We will practice some more examples. Okay? Now students, now we will move to today's portion, that is addition by carrying over. You know this table, right? You are familiar with this table. This is units, this is tens and this is hundreds. And here numbers are written. Now we will add these two numbers according to the column. You know that we always start from right hand side. Okay, from units place, isn't it? Now we will add these two. 9 plus 4. How much? 9 plus 4 is 13. Isn't it? I will write 13 here. 3 and 1. Okay, 13. But we can't write 13 in one column. That is in unit place. Because we can write only one number in one column. So I will write here 13. Okay. And see here, 13 means two digits are there. Isn't it? Here, two digits, 3 units, you know this, and 1 10. Isn't it? So we will keep this 3 in the unit place and we will move this to tens place because it is 1 10. Isn't it? Now we will add these three numbers. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Isn't it? So I will write here 16. But this is also wrong. I can't write this 16 in tens column. Isn't it? So I will write this here. This is 16. And here also two numbers are there. This is 16 tens. Correct? In the tens column it is there. So it is 16 tens. Here two digits, they have the place value. This is 6 tens and 100. Got this? So 100 we will move to hundreds column. See this. Correct? Now again only 6 remained here, only 3 remained here, isn't it? Here what we will do? We will add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 2. That is how much? 7. Isn't it? This is our answer. Got this to us? How to do this? I think you understood. Okay? One more example we will try. See this. 169 plus 673. Okay. Again here 9 plus 3 is 12. Isn't it? 2 I will write here and I will write 1 here and it will move to tens place. You know now 2 unit and 1 10 it is. So it moved to tens column. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 and 7. 7 to the how much? 14. Isn't it? So I will write 14 here. Again we can see here 4 tens and 100. So this 1 will move to hundreds column. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 6 is 8. Isn't it? 842. Got this, students? Nice. One more sum we will go through. Okay. Now again this table 988 plus 73. 8 plus 3. How much? 11. Isn't it? So 1 here and what we will do? This one we will take to tens place. No, I will not tell why we are taking this to tens place. You know now, isn't it? Now simple here, see here 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. Isn't it? This is a shortcut method. Now 16 we will write here and again 1 we will move to hundreds place. Correct? Now 1 plus 9 is 10. I will write 10 here because we have not mentioned here thousands place. Isn't it? Units, tens, 100, then comes thousands place. It is not written, so I will write here only. Okay? Next is, see like this sums are there. It is given in horizontal position. Here 235 plus 146. Second sum is 346 plus 129. Isn't it? Now we will go for first sum. Now first we will prepare a table. Okay, units, tens, hundreds. Now we will write 235 in the vertical position. Here 235 we will write and below we will write 146. This is called vertical position. See 235. Okay, 5 we will write in the units place first, then 3, then 2 here. Correct? Now plus 146. 6 we will write here. 4 here we will write and 1 we will write here. Correct? Now we will do addition. 5 plus 6. How much? 11. Correct? 5 2s are 10 plus 1. 11. Isn't it? 1 here and 1 in the tens column. See, this is the real method. 1 we have to write here and 1 in the next left column we have to write. Now 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4. That is 4 2s are 8. I will write here 8. Then in the hundreds place 2 plus 1 is 3. Correct? Nice. We will move to second sum. Here again table. We will write 346 first. 6 in the unit place. 4 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, plus 9 in unit place, 2 in hundreds place, sorry tens place, and 1 in hundreds place. Right? Now we will do addition now. In the units place, 6 plus 9. How much? 15, isn't it? So 5 I will write here and 1 will write in the tens column. Now here in the tens column 3 numbers are there. So that is 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2, that is 7, isn't it? Now here in the hundreds place 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer, this is 381, here 475. Got this? Now 2 more sums we will write. We will prepare table first. Okay, now we will write, you know now how to write in vertical position, correct? 373 up and 196 we will write down according to columns, isn't it? Now 3 plus 6 is 9, 7 plus 9 is, that is 7 to the 14 plus 2, that is 16, correct? Here 6 we will write down and 1 will move to hundreds column. Then 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5, isn't it? Good. The answer is 569. Right? Now this we will do. We will write 580 plus 195. Correct? Okay. Now we will add 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 9, that is 8 to the 16 plus 1. Correct? 9. 70. 7 we will write here and 1 up in the hundreds column. Now 1 plus 5 plus 1, that is 7, isn't it? And the answer is 775. Correct? Children, now here we can see two sums, isn't it? That has 3 digits and 3 numbers they have. How many numbers they have? 3 numbers. Here also we can see 3 numbers. Now we will add these written numbers in vertical position. First we will make a table. See, this is a table. Now we will write these 3 numbers in vertical position. So first I will write 536. Dear students, here we have to take care while writing the numbers in proper columns. If you write these numbers in wrong columns, then we will get wrong answer. Okay, we will see. First I will write 536. So 6 in unit place, 3 in tens place, and 5 in hundreds place, isn't it? Plus 246. 6 in unit place, 4 in tens place, and 2 in hundreds place, isn't it? Now number 19, that has only 2 digits. From where we will start? We will start from unit place. Okay, always start from unit place. So we will write 9 in the unit place. See this? Then 1 in tens place. Not to write any digit in hundreds place because this third number has only 2 digits. Got this? So here we will not write anything. Okay, now we will add these 3 numbers first. 6 plus 9. Okay, 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 plus 9, is nothing but 21, right? So left hand side we have 2. It will move to tens place, and on the right hand side 1, isn't it? 21. So 1 we will write here, and 2 we will write in tens column. Got this, students? Whichever the number to the left, that we will write in next column. Correct? Now here 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus 4, 9, plus 1, that is 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 in hundreds place. Correct? Now we will add these three numbers. 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 2, that is 8. Here no number is there, so we will write 8 here. Okay, the answer is 801. Got this? Now we will go for this sum. This is our table. We will write these three numbers in vertical position, means one below the other. Now this first number has 3 digits, second also is having 3 digits, third is also having 3 digits. So this is easy one, correct? So I will write 749 plus 128 plus 252. Okay. Now we will start our addition. We will start addition from our unit place, isn't it? We will start 9 plus 8 plus 2. See here, easy method is there. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19, isn't it? So we will write 9 here, and 1 will move to tens place. Now we will add these four numbers, that is 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2, that is 12. So 2 we will write down, and 1 will move to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 7, that is 8, plus 1, that is 9, plus 2, that is 11, isn't it? So we will write 11 here because no column is there. Correct? So this is our answer. Okay, 1100, 2 tens, 9 units. Otherwise 1129, isn't it? Students, this work is for you. The work is on page number 52 and 53 of your textbook. Okay, sums are there. Take your pencil and try in the textbook only. Okay? If you make practice, then it will become very easy to solve the further sums, a little difficult sums and word problems. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.